Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a comment on a card on Trello. So this is going to be particularly useful when you're working with your teams. And so be sure to stick around just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. And so let's go ahead and get started. What we're first going to do is go into our board section and just access one of these demo boards that I have here. Now, once you click on a demo board that looks like this here, you're going to see a series of cards. Now, in order to actually leave a comment, you're going to click on a card and then simply scroll down to where it says write a comment. So here I can just say test comment, and on these comments you have abilities to change the text styles, make it bold, italicize it. You can even format it, attach files, insert images, etc. and then click on save. So as you can see, this comment was just posted just now. You can edit the comment afterwards. You can go ahead and delete the comment as well. But this is the best and easiest way that I found to actually go ahead and leave a comment on Trello. So if you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.